You thought RGB Cable Combs was an April Fool's joke. Well, late April Fool's joke, it wasn't an April Fool's joke. Alright, so there's not really a lot of performance from RGB Cable Combs, but there is color. So let's talk a little bit about how well iBuyPower is doing. iBuyPower's got some really good color lighting on these combs. I mean, all the colors look really good. They don't look too bright or kind of dull, very vibrant. I did notice that purple is a little bit weak, but that's kind of a normal RGB thing. I don't see that as being unique to just these cable combs. The only purple lighting I've ever seen is on devices that have specific purple LEDs, and particularly on a set of Corsair fans I bought a long time ago. So the colors all around though, like just every other color in the spectrum, looks great, not washed out, very vibrant. Now, dispersion though, sometimes things can be really bright and in your face, and I think iBuyPower did a great job of having the perfect amount of dispersion with the kind of plastic they use on these combs, so that they're not too bright and in your face, but they are definitely fairly bright. You're gonna notice that these things can shine a little bit brighter than some components, but most of the time I think they're gonna blend perfectly, which is perfect. That's really what we wanna see. Let's talk about addressable control, because this is what impressed me, and honestly I was really hoping for this. So obviously addressable control is going to depend on your motherboard, but when you start getting funny lighting pattern effects, like for instance the rainbow thing I've got going on here, you're connecting each individual comb to each other, and I was kind of worried, are these all just going to mirror each other and you're just going to have this one lighting effect? No, iBuyPower did a great job of linking all the combs so that the light moves through them. And even if you have different patterns, you'll see the different patterns lighting in different ways. And that was fantastic. I was really happy about that. So honestly, when it comes to an RGB cable comb, as ridiculous as some of you might be thinking, and like, no, never, I will never touch one of these. Fair enough. For those of you who wanted something that was gonna look great and you love all the RGB you can get your hands on, I'm thinking iBuyPower did a great job. Let's go ahead and wrap up this review. So guys, if you were gonna spend $30 on cable combs, sure, that would normally be crazy. I mean, you can get a package of just standard, normal cable combs for just a few bucks and not spend that much money. But obviously, we've got something going on here that's not just standard. We've got the RGB lighting effects. And yeah, you can pick up a package of these guys from iBuyPower for 30 bucks. Is it a little pricey? Yeah. If you're practically minded, there's no reason why you'd spend that money. But if you are just wanting something that looks cool and you love RGB lighting effects and you want to bling the cables up a little bit, this is an awesome, awesome option. iBuyPower is giving people just an option that they wouldn't have. And that's the beauty. You don't have to buy these things. And for $30, I think that's reasonable. That's actually a pretty decent price considering how effective these combs are. So I'm going to go ahead and call it an Editor's Choice Award. I really love what iBuyPower's done here, and I think they've done an excellent job. They really did a solid quality job on building this product, and that's what makes me happy. I know it's not for everybody, but if it is for you, then I would definitely say 30 bucks, I think it's worth the cash to spend. Guys, I hope you like this. I will have an installation video that's separate so you can kind of see how to put these guys together, so you can check that out. I, once again, hope that this is helpful to you guys. I'll catch you later.